Hello everyone, TechAid TV here. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to disassemble the scanner of this HP SmartTank 515 printer. And to be able to perform a scanner cleaning to remove dust, dirt, or insects inside your scanner, like this problem the ants entered inside our scanner. So in order to clear the scanner from the dust or insects inside, all we need to do is to disassemble the scanner. And without further ado, let's get started. Open the printer front door access cover. Then, unscrew your scanner. It has 2 screws in front or at the back of your front access door. And it has another 2 scanner screws at the back of the printer, near on its paper tray. Then detach the scanner flex cables in order to remove the flatbed scanner. Then, we may now start disassembling the scanner. To clean your scanner, you can use a paintbrush or a blower. Then, reassemble the scanner. Then, reinstall the scanner. And properly reattach the scanner flex cables to its slot cable connector. And secure the scanner screws. Then, plug in the power cord and USB cable. Then, press the power button to turn on your printer. And when power indicator LED becomes stable, we are going to perform print quality check to test the printer. So now printer is working normally. And that's the simple step-by-step procedure on how to disassemble the scanner of this HP SmartTank 515 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.